致英语频率最高的1200句，每天1小时，3个月听懂美国人。Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
别担心这个。Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
Where's the restroom?
Where's the restroom?
洗手间在哪里 ？Where's the restroom?
Where's the restroom?
Over there.
Over there.
就在那里。Over there.
Over there.
You fucking noob.
You fucking noob.
你好菜。You fucking noob.
You fucking noob.
May I come in?
May I come in?
我可以进来吗 ？May I come in?
May I come in?
Come in, please.
Come in, please.
请进。Come in, please.
Come in, please.
I've heard so much about you.
I've heard so much about you.
久仰大名。I've heard so much about you.
I've heard so much about you.
Only good things, I hope.
Only good things, I hope.
希望你听到的都是我的好话。Only good things, I hope.
Only good things, I hope.
You're looking good.
You're looking good.
你看起来不错。You're looking good.
You're looking good.
Really? Thank you.
Really? Thank you.
是吗？谢谢。Really? Thank you.
Really? Thank you.
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
今天天气怎么样 ？How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
It's hot today.
It's hot today.
今天真热。It's hot today.
It's hot today.
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
这位置有人坐吗 ？Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
没有，请便。No, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
I will be 5 minutes late.
I will be 5 minutes late.
我会迟到5分钟。I will be 5 minutes late.
I will be 5 minutes late.
Take your time.
Take your time.
不着急，你慢慢来。Take your time.
Take your time.
What's the temperature?
What's the temperature?
温度多少度 ？What's the temperature?
What's the temperature?
It's 30 degrees Celsius.
It's 30 degrees Celsius.
现在是30度。It's 30 degrees Celsius.
It's 30 degrees Celsius.
Anything to drink?
Anything to drink?
喝点什么 ？Anything to drink?
Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Just water, please.
水就好了，谢谢。Just water, please.
Just water, please.
How was your day?
How was your day?
今天过得怎么样 ？How was your day?
How was your day?
It was good.
It was good.
很棒啊。It was good.
It was good.
What sports do you play?
What sports do you play?
你玩什么运动吗 ？What sports do you play?
What sports do you play?
Swimming is my favorite.
Swimming is my favorite.
我最喜欢游泳。Swimming is my favorite.
Swimming is my favorite.
Are you on a diet?
Are you on a diet?
你在节食吗 ？Are you on a diet?
Are you on a diet?
Yes, I'm on a diet.
Yes, I'm on a diet.
是的，我在减肥。Yes, I'm on a diet.
Yes, I'm on a diet.
Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
你有养宠物吗 ？Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Yes, I have a cat.
有，我有一只猫。Yes, I have a cat.
Yes, I have a cat.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
你是哪里人 ？Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from China.
I'm from China.
我来自中国。I'm from China.
I'm from China.
Are you in line?
Are you in line?
你在排队吗 ？Are you in line?
Are you in line?
Yeah, I'm in line.
Yeah, I'm in line.
是的，我在排队。Yeah, I'm in line.
Yeah, I'm in line.